New from Stonebridge Homes Northwest, this bright, spacious 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in Tigard is ideal for the homebuyer looking for room to live, work, and play. This 3,100 square foot home features a laundry room, an owner's entry on the main, 2 walk-in pantries, a formal dining room, and a full bed and bath on the main. Conveniently located in the Brightwood neighborhood in Tigard, this home offers easy access to local job centers, shopping, and restaurants. This home is also built to the Earth Advantage standard for home performance and sustainability. For more information, visit www.stonebridgehomesnw.com today.